Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today is all about tie collar. You can call it pussy bow also. I take this fabric. My tie piece is one long piece, but its length is short. So I take out two rectangle shaped pieces. My tie length is 60 inches long and its width is 4 inches. As I am making this tie for 5 years old girl, so you can take your own measurement. You can increase the length as well as increase the width also. After sewed, this tie look like this. This tie is super easy to sew. It can be tied in a bow or left hanging loose with just a knot for more casual style. It brings a retro feeling to any outfit and perfect choice for winter. After cutting, I will sew these two rectangle shaped pieces together. I sewed these. I am giving a slanted cut to both corners of this tie in order to make more beautiful. I used my basic shirt pattern. It's a round neckline shirt. I applied my tie collar into this shirt. I am taking the measurement of back neckline. Neckline is 8 inches, so fold the collar in a half like that and mark on 4 on both sides. Now it's time to sew. First, fold fabric lengthwise so it's inside out. Sew a slanted line and then straight line across the raw edges. I need to leave an opening of back neckline. Now turn the tie right side out using your opening. Then raw edges will go inside, pull it out, do it both sides. Press the tie so you have nice crisp edges. Now take the raw edges of one side of the tie opening and pin your tie onto the back neckline like that, and after that sew it. Now fold upper side opening edges onto inner side like this, pinning them together and sew. Now both the raw edges are facing each other. After sewed, now again iron it. I sewed it. Now it's time to make a bow knot. It's very easy. It is completed and now ready to wear. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. And you can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.